Hello friends, today we will explain common size income statement. Common size income statement is a useful tool in financial statement analysis. With this we can compare two companies' performance or profitability. Suppose there are two companies. One company is A company and other company is B company. We are interested which company earned more profit, so we make income statement of A company and income statement of B company, and then we convert in percentage form on the basis of sale, but we write here 100% and 100% so that we can compare it more easily. So less cost of goods sold. Suppose here is 300 and here is 200. Then gross profit is 200 and here 400. Now we calculate a cost of goods sold in percentage form. Just 300 divided by 500. 300 divided by 500 into 100 is equal to 60%. This is a 60%, and then balance is 40% is our gross profit in A company. And in B company we will calculate 200 divide by 600 into 100. This is 33%. 33%, and the balance is 100 minus 33, 67. 67% gross profit. Like this we will decrease operating expenses like office expenses, selling expenses, and then we convert in percentage form, and then we deduct non-operating expenses, and then we convert in the percentage form. After this we will check. Suppose I am making a graph more easily for your understanding. Suppose this is A company and this is B company. This is sale. This is sale. This is A company and this is B company. Now we will check. Suppose it's A company's cost of goods sold is 60%. About this is cost of goods sold, but in B case this is just 33% is cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. From this we can get idea that A company is a less gross profit, but B company has more gross profit. So this is the main point. Gross profit of B is more than gross profit of A company. So first of all we will check what is a gross profit, just comparing it with cost of goods sold. Then again we check its other operating expenses. Suppose operating expenses is about this, and operating expenses of A is less, so operating profit of A is good than operating profit of B. It means A's net profit is more due to decreasing operating and non-operating expenses. So this company has to good purchase management and other direct expenses management, so that its net profit will increase. These are the points which we should see in common size income statement. Thank you very much.